In PACE, your timesheet is how you log the hours you've worked each week. Let's walk through how to add your entries and submit them for approval. Click Timesheet under HR and Financials in the left sidebar. At the top of the page, you'll see the current week automatically selected. For example, week 26, June 22nd to June 28th. You can use the week drop-down to navigate to a different week if needed. Below the week selector, you'll see your total unique days and total hours logged so far for that week. The main grid shows your timesheet entries: date, time, task, type, location, GPS, hours, description, project, and status. If you haven't added any entries yet, it will say, "No timesheet entries found for this period." To add an entry, click plus Add Row at the top right. A new row appears in the grid. Start by selecting the date. Click the date field and pick the day you worked. Next, enter the time, your start and end time for that work session. Then select your task from the drop-down. This links your hours to the specific task you worked on. Choose the task type, for example, engineering or support. The location field lets you select where you worked: office, remote, or on-site. The GPS field is filled in automatically based on your location. You don't need to do anything here. Enter the number of hours you worked for that entry. Finally, add a short description, a brief note about what you did, for example, PLC programming review or client site support. Once that row is filled in, you can click plus Add Row again to add another entry for a different day or task. Repeat this for each day you worked during the week. When all your entries are in and everything looks correct, click Save Changes at the top right to save your entries as a draft. You'll see your week appear in the My Timesheet History section at the bottom of the page with a draft status and your total hours. Once you're ready to send it to your manager for review, click Timesheet Fully Submitted at the top. This locks the entries and sends them for approval. Your manager will be notified automatically. You'll receive a notification once your timesheet has been approved. You can download a PDF copy of any week's timesheet from the History section using the PDF button next to each week. That's all there is to it. Log your rows, save, and submit every week before end of day Friday.